Since Latisha Mackerel Francis became a social media sensation, there have been many rumors about her life. Recently, a video surfaced of Francis supposedly getting kicked out of a house. But, according to her, she left of her own accord. Me did live with a man but him no like the excitement and I am all about the excitement. So 3 weeks ago, the girl that was my friend tell me I can come by and stay with her, she said. The friendship turned sour a few days ago, after Francis asked her friend about some missing money. Me nah know if dem feel like me a make a bag of money, but me realize say $9,000 missing from my purse. Me ask about it and she say she nah know nothing about it. Me let it go, she said. Then another day, $3,000 missing again. Me confront her about it and she and the people dem de flare up pan me and me a call dem tief and dem na need fi tief no money from me and all these things. Dem start gwaan bad, so me pack up me things and leave, she said. Realizing that she left things at the house, Francis said she wanted to go back but was hindered by verbal assaults from the residents. She said that she was the one who called the police to escort her as she went for her belongings. A no like me leave me things dem there for spite, so me did want go back for them but them a tell me who bad and who fak posse dem have. Through me no have no posse or nobody fi back me like that, me call the police and ask them to help me because I needed my things, she said. So dem can gwaan talk all them want. People always a talk and them don't know the full story. Me move out and me let them be. Me focus on my work right now, I don't want to be mixed up in negativity. Checks made at the Spanish Town police station revealed that a report was made by Francis.